My name is Vijetha. I'm from Virginia. So I got to know about healing hands through some groups. I've been suffering there in USA for almost like four months. I had like multiple surgeries there, but it failed, and I somehow found, I'm glad that I found healing hands. And then, as soon as I saw Dr. Ashwin sir, I didn't even ask him like what is he gonna do, or what's the process is gonna be. Just seeing at him, I got like a positive vibe that I'll be healed. After then, there was no looking back at all. Team here is very good. He has got wonderful team. Everybody here are like very helpful and very prompt in the response, in their responses and all. Really glad I found this, and then I would recommend everyone whoever are suffering from this fistula to come here, just without thinking anything at all. Thank you, Healing Hands.